Hi everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. I cannot believe it's December already. I don't know when the time goes so fast. So it's today's science lab. We are going to make holiday tradition DIY or ornament. We are going to make Tealight's snowman ornament. So it's pretty simple. You probably heard about this project before. All you need is green, red, black and white construction paper, but you don't have to use this construction paper. You can add brown if you like. And then you need a tea light like so. You can find it in a dollar store. It doesn't need to be an expensive one. And then I have a Sharpie marker or color marker if you don't have one. And then a festive ribbon like so. But if you don't have a ribbon like this, you can use any kind of ribbon you like. And a glue gun might be helpful, but if you don't have glue gun, that's okay. You can use like a glue stick like this. For younger kids, you probably need assistance with the glue gun because it can be really hot. And then you can use Sharpie or pencils to mark things off. And then of course, scissors, okay? So let's get started. So first you wanna do is you wanna make 3 circles of white, in the white construction paper. So a big circle like so, and then the middle one probably smaller, and the smallest one. You should have 3 of them, and then you cut it like so, okay? So I already made big circle, the biggest one, and the medium one, and then the smallest one like so, okay? And then after that, you want to take your black construction paper or red or green, it's up to you. You can make a snowman hat like so. If you don't like this size, you can make a beanie hat with the other construction paper. It's really up to you. You can be as creative if you want. And then I make 2 of these snowman hands like that, okay? So what you want to do is, okay, so this is your tea light, and then you take your ribbon like so. I would say the one that has pictures facing out like that, and then you make like a V shape like this, okay? And then you take your glue gun. Glue gun is probably better because glue stick won't stick these 2 together. So you glue gun, and then you hot glue gun it in the back like that, okay? Just want to make sure if you need help, just let your parents know, otherwise it can be really hot and glue gun is really dangerous for the younger kids. All right, and then before that, you want to test it out if the tea light will work. It has a battery on it, okay? Okay, so the next thing you want to do is, okay, you put the largest circle on the bottom, okay? And you stack it, the middle one on the top like so, and then the littlest one on the upper top like that, okay? Does it make sense? So the largest one on the bottom, the middle one, and then the smallest one like that, okay? And then you want to take your snowman hat. You can make like this one. If you don't like it, you can use other hat that you like. And you take your glue stick and then you glue it on. It doesn't need much, probably just a little bit rub like so. And you put it on the top like that, okay? And then you take one of the snowman hand like that, and then you put it in between the middle one and then the largest one like that, okay? And you probably already know the next step. You take another snowman hands and glue it like so. Just rub it in really gently, okay? And then you put it in like so. So you have something like this for now, okay? And this is what your Sharpie marker will play a role. So you take your Sharpie marker and then you make a face. So you draw an eyes like that, and then you make a smiley face like so. So there you go. This is your snowman, and then you're right, you just have to turn it on. See, turn it on like so. And then this is ready to be hung up in your tree, or if you don't like it, you can put it in your door handle in your room if you like, or you can give it to someone as a present. It's pretty easy to make, and it costs pretty cheap because tea light, all you need is tea light ribbon and then construction paper. So yeah. Well, I hope you have fun with this project. Next week, I'm coming back with a snow globe DIY. It's also pretty fun and pretty easy to make, and you can also give it half a gift. Until next week, I wish you a happy holidays if you celebrate it. And then don't forget to watch our Make It Monday and our story time. Until next time, I'll see you soon, guys. Have a good day.